It's probably the character that's the closest to who I am. I'm kind of playing myself in a way. I think we all have a sense that we're an underdog in a way.
True.
I think we develop that as children, you know. We feel we have hopes and dreams. I think everybody has their own sense of what justice should be. And I've been impacted because a lot of my friends fell victim to the opioid crisis. So I have a personal stake in it.
Firstly, it feels like I've known Billy on screen since forever, but yet again, he is so unpredictable and surprising. So, over the years and throughout the 4 seasons of Goliath, what has been your biggest takeaway?
Well, you know, I've enjoyed playing the character, but to tell you the truth, it's probably the character that's the closest to who I am. I'm kind of playing myself in a way.
Okay.
So, so when I go home at night, it's not a heck of a lot different. Yeah, I mean, I think I've always had a very strong sense of justice that's not exactly what the justice system is. And I think
Okay.
the character is written that way also. So I really connected with that because I don't think sometimes the laws aren't really um, the things that the way that we wish it could be, you know.
True.
And so I think that's where I connected with the character the most.
hmm So, what was your creative process in approaching Billy to make it look so authentic and real? Did you have to go through sessions of legal studies and research papers in order to understand law?
We always had a consultant, you know,
Okay.
around the set. So if you really needed to know something technical, they were there to answer it for you. And also, uh, it's just if you don't know what you're saying. In other words, if you have a lot of technical dialogue, if there's a lot of legal
True.
dialogue, if you don't know what that means, I think the audience can tell that you're just reciting words. So it's
Yeah.
better to learn what everything means because when you
hmm
know what it means, you say it with confidence. And
Yeah.
I made a point of learning what everything means as opposed to just learning dialogue, you know.
So, Billy is the kind of person, who knows how to fight back because he believes in his identity and originality so, so much despite having nothing. And you had earlier shared that Billy is a character very close to you. So, how do you reflect on that? Do you feel every person has a Billy inside them, not as a lawyer, but as a voice?
Absolutely. I think everybody does. I believe
hmm
that I think we all have a sense that we're an underdog in a way
True.
in life. And
Yeah.
I think we develop that as children, you know, we feel we have hopes and dreams, and
hmm
but we feel like we're up against, you know, something
True.
like the Goliath idea, you know. And also, I think everybody has their own sense of what justice should be.
True.
So I think everybody can relate to it. I think that's why people have liked the character, you know, because of that.
So, the latest case tackles a timely global crisis that impacts an entire generation. How do you think a legal drama like Goliath will throw light on that matter?
Well, you know, this time we take on, as you know, the big pharmaceutical companies, and that's a very current event. You know, I mean, that's in the news a lot lately. And I've been impacted because a lot of my friends fell victim to the opioid crisis.
Okay. Okay.
And so, uh, so I have a personal stake in it, but also,
Okay.
but also just the fact that people can, um, I mean, it's a strong statement to say, but it's the truth, which is sometimes people are killed legally, you know,
True.
and that's not okay with me, you know.
Exactly. Yeah. So, thank you so much, sir, for doing this with me. I had a great time chatting with you, and I am a huge fan of your work, so I'm a little starstruck right now.
No.
I really look forward to having more conversations with you, hopefully.
Oh, absolutely. Anytime, anytime. Well, it's great to see you. And I love your place there. That's nice.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Cool.
Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Bye.